Most people don't realize that by the time a child turns 4 years old, most of their brain development has already taken place. That's why what happens in preschool is so important. I teach older 3-year-olds who turn 4 before they leave my class, and I get to see just how much they grow and change in such a short amount of time. After researching early childhood education, I realized how important preschool teachers really are. Today I'm going to explain what preschool teachers actually do, what it takes to become one, and why this job has such a big impact on children's futures. When people hear preschool teacher, they usually think we just teach ABCs and counting. No, that's not the case. And yes, we do that, but we do so much more. In my classroom, we do more than just letters and numbers. I help my kids learn how to share, use their words instead of crying, and solve problems with their friends. At 3 and 4, kids are really figuring out how to be people, and they're learning how to sit in a group. Some days we're working on writing their names. Other days we're practicing how to say, "Can I have a turn?" instead of grabbing a toy. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, children around age 4 start speaking in longer sentences, playing more cooperatively, and becoming more independent. That's exactly what I see every day in my classroom. Preschool teachers also create routines. We have circle time, learning centers, outdoor play, and structured activities. That structure helps children feel safe and confident. So now that you know what we actually do during the day, let's talk about what it takes to become a preschool teacher. Being a preschool teacher isn't just babysitting. Most preschool teachers need at least an associate's degree in early childhood education, and some programs require a bachelor's degree. Many teachers also earn something called a Child Development Associate credential. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, preschool teachers need to understand child development and create lesson plans appropriate for young children. Honestly, this job takes a lot of patience. You've got to be able to communicate well, be creative, and handle a room full of energetic 3-year-olds. Every day is different, and you have to think fast and really care about helping the kids grow. What makes this job so meaningful, though, is its long-term impact. What makes this job meaningful, though, is its long-term impact. Research shows that children who attend high-quality preschool programs are more prepared for kindergarten. One well-known study known as the Perry Preschool Project concluded that children who attended preschool were more likely to graduate high school and have stable jobs later in life. Economist James Heckman also found that investing in early childhood education benefits not just the child, but society as a whole. That means the work happening in preschool classrooms today can affect children years down the road. When I see my students learn how to write their names or solve problems on their own, I know those small moments are building the foundation for bigger successes later. In conclusion, preschool teachers do much more than teach letters and numbers. We help children develop academically, socially, and emotionally during one of the most important stages of their lives. The job requires education, skill, and patience, but most importantly, it requires a whole lot of heart. Even though preschool classrooms may look small and simple, the impact of what happens inside them is huge. The lessons children learn at 3 and 4 years old can shape who they become in the future.